Hello children, today we are going to start chapter number 15 of history class 7 Greater India. The additional question for answer question for practice. I hope you have completed the book exercise question number 1A and B part and answer the following questions from 2 to 9 in your copy. Okay, now we are going to start additional question for practice. First we are going to do MCQ, true and false, and fill in the blanks in the textbook only. After that, very short answer question and long answer question you have to do in your notebooks. So we are going to start with the MCQ, multiple choice question. Take the correct answer. Question number 1. Which source of entertainment is Greater India was influenced by Indian culture? That is music. B you have to take. Second one, King Yashovardhan was fond of. That is Kavyas and Shastras. So answer is both A and B. That is D part. Third one, which language was commonly used in the Buddhist religious scripts of India and Java? So answer is Pali. That is A. Now true and false. Only Indian scholars and intellectuals were allowed in the important universities of ancient India. Answer is false. Foreign travelers become the very first carriers of Indian culture to distant land. So answer is true. Third one, literary works of Java had a deep influence of ancient Indian culture. Answer is true. Fourth one, it is said that Rajendra Varman established 100 ashrams to take care of the helpless people like old, sick and poor students. Answer is false. Now fill in the blanks. Dash and dash were the two goods of India which were in great demand in foreign land. So answer is cotton and silk. Write the answer. COTTON cotton, SILK silk. Question 2. Lord dash and dash were known as Trimurti. That is Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. Write the spelling. BRAHMA Brahma, Vishnu VISHNU Vishnu, and Shiva SHIVA Shiva. Third one, the people of Java followed dash religion, that is Buddhism, right? BUDDHISM Buddhism. Fourth one, the best specimen of temple architecture in Burma is dash of pagan. That is Anand temple, right? ANAND Anand, TEMPLE temple. So children, we have completed additional question for practice, MCQ, true and false, and fill in the blanks. Now we are going to do very short answer question and long answer question. The questions you have to write from your textbook. This you have to do in copy. Okay, the answers I'll be giving you. Answer number 1, very short answer question. The universities established in ancient India were Nalanda, Takshashila, Varmashila and Gaya. Answer 2, the caste system which is still found in Bali and Cambodia is reminiscent of the ancient Indian Varna system. Answer number 3, Buddhism is followed in Burma. The king of Cambodia was Yashovardhan. He was fond of Shastras and Kavyas. Short answer questions. Answer number 1, the Buddhist idols of Mendat Bodhisattva is considered to be one of the most beautiful samples of the art of sculpture. The divine expressions on the faces of these idols is the main characteristic of these sculptures. Answer number 2, The Greater India is used to define the historical and geographical extent of all political entities of the Indian subcontinent and also the religions which are culturally linked to India or which are influenced significantly by the Indian culture. Answer number 3. People from diverse groups and culture, for example, forest dwellers of Cambodia to people of Java who belonged to a slightly advanced civilization, embraced and accepted Indian culture to a great extent. Long answer question. There is only one question of long answer question. The answer is here. Trade relation of ancient India. India had trade relations with various countries as Indian goods like muslin, cotton, silk, indigo, spices, etc. were in great demand in foreign lands. India established trade relations with Southeast Asia countries like Java, Sumatra, and even Western and Central Asian countries. Such maritime trade resulted not only in prolonged socio-economic relations but also cultural interactions that stimulated their culture, art, literature, science, religion, and philosophy. So, children, these are the very short answer question and long answer question. These all you have to complete in your notebooks. The book exercise, that is the MCQ, true and false, and fill in the blanks, you all have to do in your textbook. Okay children, do your work in a very beautiful handwriting. Thank you.